Hey lads and lasses, welcome to the new episode of Piggylet Podcast. I am your host, Whitelist. Every Wednesday we bring you weekly NFT-Backed Lending, NFT sales stats, and news of cryptocurrencies and NFTs. Of course, we also share development updates of our very own NFT-Backed Lending Platform, Piggylet. Let's dive into all the happenings of the week. For the fifth consecutive week, NFT-backed lending volume has increased, reaching $51.69 million with 4,488 transactions. This growth is in part due to emergence of a new peer-to-peer NFT-backed lending platform. The market has also seen a rise in unique user numbers, which now stands at 6,417. It is encouraging to see the NFT-backed lending market gain popularity and attract new players. The latest platform is a peer-to-peer platform that prioritizes secure lending experiences for its users by only allowing blue-chip NFTs for borrowing. The platform only permits borrowing against 10 NFT collections. The Piggylet team recognized that the true potential of the NFT-backed lending market can only be achieved with the true NFT market coverage. Therefore, we are tirelessly working to bring you the Piggylet platform, which will allow for the safe collateralization of numerous NFT collections to obtain loans. Additionally, lenders will have access to a diverse range of options to effectively diversify their portfolios. The Piggylet solution will democratize NFT-backed lending for all members of the ecosystem. We are approaching the final stages of our internal testing and are excited to hear about your experiences with the Piggylet public testnet in the near future. So, stay tuned. Last week, the total NFT market volume decreased by approximately 25%, despite the continued hype surrounding the Blur airdrop. The volume was $500 million with the wash rate filter on Dune Analytics and $618 million without the filter. Blur still holds the lead in terms of volume and trades, but OpenSea has more traders. This raises the question of whether there could be more wash trades than the Dune filter detects. Last week on Piggylet Podcast Episode 2, the topic was investigated further. So you can check our previous week's episode and watch Detective Aaron Leitch's part to listen to the story from a different perspective. All these NFT activities also affected gas prices. The surge in demand for block space has resulted in increased fees for validators and more Ethereum being burned via EIP 1559. NFT transactions on Ethereum have risen by 97% for the past 2 consecutive months and are approaching levels last seen during the NFT boom from middle 2021 to middle 2022. Speaking of NFT marketplaces and sale volumes, a well-known name coming as a new contender in the market. Amazon is set to launch its own NFT marketplace called the Amazon Digital Marketplace in April, with an initial focus on blockchain gaming. Amazon's interest in the Web3 ecosystem has been growing, with recent partnership with Ava Labs and support for NFT platforms like Superplastic. The move is expected to have significant impact on the gaming industry and could potentially benefit Avalanche due to its current connection with Amazon Web Services. Scam alert everyone! A fraudulent Twitter account named ChatGPT has been promoting a scam NFT offer claiming to be first living AI-powered non-fungible tokens supported by Optimus ChatGPT technology that can interact with humans and perform tasks on their behalf. However, OpenAI, the only company associated with ChatGPT, has not released any tokens. The Twitter account is being promoted by assertive bots that share their excitement through comments and replies, and the account owner releases notifications for new mints every 4 hours. The fraudulent Twitter account amassed more than 13,000 followers before it was taken down by Twitter. OpenAI issued a statement urging the public to be cautious and alert to avoid falling victim to such fraudulent schemes. Speaking of AI, this one is real. Binance NFT has launched an AI-powered NFT generator called Bicasso that allows users to create unique computer-generated images that can be minted as non-fungible tokens. The beta version of Bicasso was released on March 1, and the 10,000 mint limit was reached in just 2.5 hours after launch, causing some glitches to the high demand. Bicasso allows users to type in creator prompts or upload images for the tool to adapt and generate unique images that can be minted as NFTs on the BNB chain. Binance is working to increase the server's abilities to smoothen the minting process for future mints. Who is the Back to the Future fan here? Personally, I'm grown up with the Back to the Future movies. And now, Delorean, which is known from the Back to the Future movies, the iconic car manufacturer, is accepting reservation for its highly anticipated electric car, Alpha 5, through the sale of production slot NFTs. Each holder of a digital twin secures a unique production slot from the limited quantity of Alpha 5 EVs to be produced over the next few years. 6 months before the Alpha 5 is made, its owners can customize it and get a new digital twin linking to the actual one. The digital twin also has a gameable avatar and access to special Delorean hosted events. This unique reservation method is the first of its kind in the automotive industry and involves a 3-stage process. The NFTs can be traded on the Delorean established exchange, enabling interested buyers to purchase or trade NFTs for the Alpha 5 build slot. A sports star, Mongrel, has sold his Dookey Dash Key NFT for 1,000 Ethereum. The NFT was purchased by billionaire entrepreneur and Bored Ape Collection member Adam Wetzman after initially being listed at 3,333. The Yuga Labs game awarded Mongrel the Dookey Dash Key NFT for securing the highest score by maneuvering through obstacles and racing to the finish line. The sale of the NFT highlights the growing popularity of NFT gaming and the significant role it plays in the Web3 industry. And another piece of news from Yuga Labs. Yuga Labs has raised approximately $16.5 million in a Bitcoin-based inscription project called Twelvefold through an auction that lasted for 24 hours. The successful bidders will receive their inscriptions within 1 week, and those who did not succeed with their bids will receive their bitcoins back in 24 hours. However, the process has attracted criticism from various corners, given the risk involved, with some observers critiquing the process Yuga chose for this sale. Yuga Labs is one of the most prominent and earliest to launch collections on the Bitcoin network, but its critics believe that by opting to choose this model, Yuga is setting a bad example, especially for the Bitcoin NFT market, which is still finding its footing. FTX collapse is still showing its effect. Silvergate Bank was one of the entities affected by the collapse, and now it announced the discontinuation of its digital asset payment network, Silvergate Exchange Network, claiming the decision was made due to risks. The move comes after the bank's stock fell over 59% in the past days, raising concerns of potential bankruptcy. Coinbase has announced that it will suspend trading of Binance USD starting from March 13 due to the stablecoin not meeting its listing standards. Users will still be able to access their Binance USD funds and withdraw them at any time. Now it is time to announce this week's Piggylet's NFT Whitelist winners. Before that, I want to say, as Piggylet team, we want to be in contact even more with our community. Before the testnet, we will launch on new social platforms and be in touch with you, so you can expect Piggylet Discord open really soon. There will be also credential NFTs for the Piggylet Discord opening from Gateway, so stay tuned. And the winner names are Chris and Tasnur Sara. Congratulations! We are going to message you via Twitter to save your wallet addresses in our system for Piggylet's NFT. If you also want to have a chance to win, you can simply follow Piggylet DeFi on Twitter, like and retweet to Piggylet Podcast Episode 3 post. Thank you for watching or listening to the Piggylet Podcast. We will continue to cast you news about NFTs and cryptocurrencies every Wednesday. So, see you in the next one, lads and lasses.